Are you excited?
Yeah!
Yet? Wait until you hear the rest of the program. It's amazing. I'm so excited myself. I've had sleepless nights for the last week because Alexi is here. Finally! I tell Leon, I tell Sharon, can you pinch me? Pinch me. Am I awake? Am I sleeping? Because, it's not easy for him. He has a busy schedule going from one country to the other. And he took the time to come and see us. I am so thankful. In behalf of the Filipino, salamat po. Thank you for your time, giving us your heart, giving us the opportunity to share your dreams to the world. And Filipinos, we will play a big role. Philippines, are you ready to play a big role in Alexi Goldstein's vision?
Yes!
Are you ready?
Yes!
Guys, Filipinos, sorry guys, we're the best. Right? So forget the rest. No. We are one family. The mantra of this CEO of ours is one family. No cross line, no up line. Even our competitors, we must love them. No enemies. The law of abundance. We don't apply the law of scarcity. Fear will not lead our way. Because the more you love others, the more you attract them. Am I right, sir? Right? Be the vessel of love. Because if you have love here, it's just like they have a saying, if you have a palm and you have a sand, you put it in your palm. Don't squeeze it, because the more you squeeze it, the lesser you will have in your palm. But if you leave it there, you'll have more. Right? So guys, why everybody knows who I am? So why did I embrace New Life? I fell in love with a man. Not the man, okay? Not the physical man. I fell in love with his heart. I fell in love with his brain. I fell in love with his philosophy. I fell in love with his values. I fell in love with his principles. Guys, you can change products. You can change compliance. You can change management. But you cannot change the heart of a person. And that's why we are here. Please, let us all fall in love with a guy. And I hope he falls in love with all of us. That's all. And we will make one big happy family and touch so many lives of the Filipinos and the Filipinos around the world. Thank you guys. Enjoy the night.